Hi there, I am Karen Valladares. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this beautiful twist turban heaven. For this project, I'm using this beautiful yarn. The color is called Valladares. You can get this yarn in our new yarn section in our store, valladareskarenm.etsy.com. The link is in the description box too. The thing that I like of this yarn is this yarn doesn't turn fuzzy after the washing. After washing, because it's half cotton and half acrylic. So I invite you to visit us again, nataliespot.etsy.com. We have many options. We have different colors, like this yarn look like a blue jeans. I like this color. We have beige, pale rose, cream, blue. We also have lilac and many more colors. Also, I'm using a crochet hook of 4.5 millimeters. Okay, let's get started. You will need 18 chains. This is for adult. For women, if you want to make these for little girls, you can make like 14 chains, but I'm working 18 chains. Work a single crochet in the second chain from hook. This is your first stitch. Then a treble in the next chain, so yarn over twice, and work the treble. Then work a single crochet in the next chain, and this is the pattern you have to repeat: one single crochet in one treble. Okay, one single crochet in the next chain, and in the next chain a treble. This is a pattern you have to work all the way across to the end. Okay, I'm working my last stitch, the single crochet. So you start and end with a single crochet in each row. Okay, this is your first row. For the next row, chain one, turn. Look at this, as they are the bubble stitches. Okay, in the first single crochet from previous row, work single crochet. You can use a stitch marker if you want to. Then work a single crochet on top of the next bubble stitch. Then in the next stitch, then on top of the next bubble stitch. So in this row, you will work only single crochet stitches all the way across to the end. Okay, here I'm working my last two stitches on top of the bubble stitch, and then on top of the next single crochet too. So this is our second row, and this is the two rows you have to repeat in this pattern all the way across until you get the desired length of your headband. Chain one, single crochet in the very first stitch, and then treble in the next stitch, then single crochet. Okay, this is the pattern. You have to repeat again, 1 single crochet and 1 treble all the way across to the end. Remember, you have to start with a single crochet and you will end with a single crochet too. Okay, here I'm working my last 2 stitches. This is the treble, and then work my last single crochet, remove the stitch marker, and voila. Behind of this you have the design of the stitch, the bubble design. It's beautiful. I like it because the bubble, they are small, so the design is like delicate bubbles. Okay, then we're gonna work a row of single crochet. We made a chain 1, turn, and single crochet in the very first stitch. Install the stitch marker if you want to, and 1 single crochet in each stitch from previous row. That means on top of the bubble and on top of the single crochet from previous row. So work like that all the way across to the end. Okay, I just complete my row of single crochet. So you have to repeat this pattern like I told you. Repeat 1 row of single crochet and 1 row of bubbles. So repeat this until you get the size of your head. Here I'm just finished all my rows. I made 70 rows in total. So if you are working for little girls, maybe you have to crochet less inches. Okay, the width of this is 12 centimeters, and the length is, let me see, about 21.5 inches. This is one more time for adult. This headband fits to my girl. My girl is 9 years old, and this headband fits to her and fits to me too. Okay, leaving a tail of 10 inches, cut the yarn because you will need this later. Working in the wrong side, you have to fold in a half. Then you gonna take the ends and you're gonna fold in a half like this, and fold the other one in a half too, and you want to interlace these 2 sides or these 2 ends like this. Insert this in here in the middle of the other, and you're gonna have a sandwich of 4 layers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then we're gonna sew, or you can use your crochet hook and slip stitches to close these 4 layers. I will use my crochet hook and I will work some slip stitches to close this part. Also, you can use the tapestry needle and the yarn, whatever you want. The result it's the same. So I will insert my hook, taking the 4 layers One, this is my first layer. The second, the third, and the fourth. Yarn over and pull through and work my slip stitch. Repeat again. Inserting the hook through the 4 layers and work a slip stitch. Okay, repeat this all the way across to the end. Okay, we are done here. Just turn or flip your headband and voila, look, this beautiful design. It's a twist or turban headband. It's so easy, right? I love it. I love this technique. It looks like a knot in the middle of the headband. So I hope you like this video. I hope you can make this headband for you, for your family, or for your friends, or for business. You can sell these in a lot of colors. So thank you for watching my videos. Give me a thumb up. Remember, subscribe. It's very important you be a subscriber, and please activate the bell of notifications. Share this video with your friends who loves to crochet. Thank you, and that's it. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you. Bye bye.